Hello guys, in today's video, I'm gonna show you how to change profile picture on Instagram in 2024. Without further ado, let's get started. So first, go to your Instagram app, then tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner. Then just click on Edit Profile. Then click on Edit Picture or Avatar. Here, you can either upload from your device, import from your Facebook, or you can even create your avatar. So to create an avatar, just tap on this icon, then tap on Create Avatar. You can first choose a skin tone for your avatar, then click on Next. Then here you can choose a hairstyle, shape of the face, outfit, and others. You can just play around with these options and just click on Save when you're satisfied with your avatar. Another way is, as I mentioned earlier, you can upload from your device or import from Facebook. So I have already saved an image here, so let's select that from my device. So let's tap on New Profile Picture. Here you can resize the photo according to your liking. Then just tap on Next. After that, you may also play around with the filters, and when you're happy with your photo, just tap on Next. And as you can see, we have now successfully changed our profile picture. And that's it. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider hitting the subscribe button. Thank you and see you on our next video.